Hello student, welcome back class 7th chapter 14 part 2. In this part student we will discuss about the thunderstorms, safety measures during thunderstorms, cyclone, formation of cyclone and what safety measures we should taken during cyclones, tornado and precautions taken during tornado. Let's start part 2 chapter 14. Thunderstorms. Thunderstorms are storms accompanied by thunder, lightning and heavy rain. It is sometimes accompanied by snow and hails. Dear student, thunderstorms आपने बहुत बार ऑब्जर्व किया होगा. हैवी लाइटनिंग, गर्जना आकाश में, बारिश, कई बार ओलावृष्टि भी हो जाती है. दैट इज नोन एज थंडरस्टॉर्म. In hot and humid tropical regions like India, thunderstorm or lightning storms are known to occur frequently. Cause of thunderstorm. The heat of the sun in the tropical region heat up the air near the earth's surface. This hot air rises up. The water vapors present in the air due to humidity also rises up along with the hot air. As water vapors reaches the upper layer of atmosphere, which is comparatively cooler than the earth's surface, it cools and condenses to form cloud. The cloud of water vapors further cools to form water droplets that falls down towards the earth in the form of rain. Some of the droplets freeze and fall as snow or hails. While falling down, the collision between water droplets and ice crystals take place due to rising air and fast moving wind. During collision, the friction between them causes the cloud to get electrically charged. When these charged clouds get discharged, they produce huge sparks. These sparks are seen in the form of lightning. The lightning rapidly heats up the air in its path that result in the cloud sound that is heard as a thunder. This is the reason why lightning is generally accompanied by the thunder. यही मेन कारण है lightning और thunder का. Safety measures. Dear student, if lightning strikes the ground, it can cause severe damage. So we should take some precautions during the thunderstorm. We do not take shelter under a tall tree. हमें tall tree के नीचे shelter नहीं लेना चाहिए. Do not use umbrella having metallic tips. Avoid using mobile phones during thunderstorm. Avoid tall metallic structures such as electric poles, cell phone, tower, etc. because all these things attract the lightning and it may fall or come to earth. Strictly avoid bathing in the swimming pool or the river during thunderstorm. Cyclones. Powerful circular storms that are formed over low pressure area are known as cyclones. They can be around 80 to 200 km in diameter. They are usually formed in warm and wet conditions. Now let's see how does these cyclones form. Formation of cyclones. Certain factors like temperature, humidity, wind speed and wind direction contribute to the development of cyclones. The sun heat increases the rate of evaporation at water from the water bodies such as sea and oceans. This also create a low pressure area over these water bodies. These water vapors rises up and reaches the colder region of the atmosphere. On reaching colder region, the vapors release heat and condense to set up the formation of thunderstorm. The heat that is released heats up the surrounding air. The surrounding air being warm further rises up in the atmosphere. This creates a low pressure area which causes more air to push towards these low pressure area. This process of creating low pressure area is repeated several times, which pushes the air to move up higher and higher in the atmosphere. Due to the rotation of Earth, the air moves up in spiraling pattern with low pressure area at its center. This causes the formation of cyclone. Dear students, cyclones are extremely powerful and causes severe damage. When a cyclone reaches near the coastal area, it causes flood, uproots trees, collapses houses, causes destruction in telecommunication lines and heavy loss of life. So we must take care that some precautions in the case of a cyclone warning is issued by the concerned authorities. For example, stay indoor or in the basement during the cyclones. Keep an emergency medical kit at the home. Keep emergency phone numbers always with you. Keep yourself ready to shift to safe areas. Dear students, cyclone warning can be issued 24 hours in advance. So we should keep ready to shift a safe area. Tornado, a twisting funnel of violently spinning wind with its narrow end towards the land, is known as tornado. It is formed when a column of cold air, funnel like in shape, sink from a cloud. Let's see the image of tornado. How does it form in the atmosphere? Tornado. Dear students, tornado in the atmosphere is look like that, as you can see in the picture. The air from the earth's surface, which is comparatively warm, rises up and starts revolving around the cold air column, which is very high speed. Tornado are quite small as compared to cyclone. Tornado cyclone के comparatively small होता है, but their wind speed is very high and can reaches up to the 500 km per hour. The funnel-like structure of a tornado engulfs everything that come in its way, including car, buses, houses, trees, buildings, etc. Generally, tornadoes are short-lived and do not move beyond the 20 kilometers. Tornado can occur everywhere when the conditions are right. They are most common in the countries like USA, but they hardly occur in our country like India. Dear students, during tornado we should take following precautions. Take shelter in a room situated deep inside the house, having no window or in the basement. Such kind of the room is known as tornado shelters. If you are in the room having doors and windows, then take shelter under a table where debris cannot reach. Bend down on your knees and protect your head and neck using your arms. All these precautions you can take during tornado. This is all about chapter 14. I hope all concept is clear to you. Have a nice day, students.